alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, friends. As you all are aware, a devastating tragedy has occurred in Turkiye and Syria.
On 6th February, an earthquake struck Turkey and Syria, causing widespread damage and leaving thousands of people dead. People lost their loved ones, including parents and children. Many people got injured and were left with permanent disabilities. Thousands of people became homeless and are now reliant on the help of others for food and shelter in the harsh, cold weather. Friends, do you know that Prophet Muhammad ﷺ taught us that the believers are like one body? When one part of the body suffers, the other parts feel the pain.
How can we help our brothers and sisters affected by the earthquake? First, make lots of du'as for them. Ask Allah to ease their hardship. Second, give donations for them to charity organizations working there. Third, help them physically if we are able to go to the affected areas.
Friends, remember to always ask Allah for afiyah or well-being. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ taught us to read this dua every day in the morning and evening. Allahumma inni as'aluka al-afwa wal-afiyata fi dunya wal-akhirah. O Allah, I ask you for forgiveness and well-being in this world and in the hereafter.
May Allah alleviate the hardships of our Muslim brothers and sisters affected by the earthquake. May Allah protect us all from trials and natural disasters. Till we meet next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
You gaze at the stars in the sky, at the mountains so high, through the tears in your eyes, looking for a reason to replace what is gone. Just remember that you are never alone. You are never alone. You are never alone. Just reach into your heart and Allah is always there. You are never